Gamente Megulu City utiro miuruk chami tabira rie ken kilo char tenguri mewa kabir magen char ko doki chuk manugi chemo niti chuk ke kome pedano magiti City Megulu abikel report ni kilo mukeni mapol madon tipiriti ni yup melo range mojin eni ayuwi madiro kanki wanlo television.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Lodge Megulu City Council gumita biare glo tenguri me awo kit moti me kweri Kampala nioni da pau ya chil medremia deke mwagani eni.
So why are you doing it now? That's supposed to be an open space.
President Yoweri Museveni watakilo dior mon makiti dun mon UPDF kanyama lokom beber panywali Uganda kidong ngoma ti peri karman elokom kuchi lobo Uganda. Kaki lobo Somaliland gen padano ti uchungum lone mengom ikine ti yelo nyotela we copper gold kidong jimken mapigi tego meyopo chimching lithium.
They have already taken the large scale mining for lithium, while some others we have already granted.
Enendwe piario ya beach medremi ario imwaga alibropirwa bicho bero cheng adek ajoli kaneno yup meloange mochi nonkombeti koarke kore an nyia sande akumo. Gamente metadero Megulu City utiro miechabia rie kendo char tenguri magetimo biachar mecha doki chuk no win kachat mokene pien ni mono tika bala kin miti gudak bene wego City man penen maleng malupe kichik mamiero City nen kwede rok taman magolu chat wa odi weke kios mobile money kidong do chat spare me pire mekitika yo pire tenguri kama dano miero wor kiye man wegitien make wor kitien weke wor kabere makiloni pavement kilep mono matika wor pa wegitien tenguri. Office pa town clerk man City clerk Megulu miyonio wenende ajpaw ya chel medremia dek memorani kilo biachara me yikobo kabir me chat kamano ke chimni ti churada wekpo kel pero enikom jomaki onen report ni kebot Ismail Jacob Jones enti City Gulu.
Loloj Megulu City miyo chabera rio kiken kilo tim biachara magitike biachara megi itenguri me a wako kobo ichuk matie idi City man Innocent IMBC bwe mati town clerk Megulu City o wajani menom to tim biachara magitie itenguri kabir machiek pe yene gimier gu tim biachara ye o mier gu ti ki chabera rio ni me dak wakom.
People have said to sell clothes over. So why are you doing it now? That's supposed to be an open space. The town also needs to breathe. The town needs to breathe, but everything is congested. And most of the business premises are empty. So why did the people build in town? Why are we asking people to come and build if they cannot get customers? If we allow everybody to sell on the street? So that one, we are saying let business be done in an organized manner.
And wajani menom Council Boutique Radio me chwado kwenam odi poko logo ngam dak bene gibiti kimotara me ber kamiu kwenam kilo timbia chara mege wergonyang ekom ngoma Megulu City butimum.
Those who are selling outside, they are taking the space of the public. Either it is shining, somebody wants to take shelter in a shade, or it is raining, somebody needs shelter, or somebody needs to make up his mind by walking the shopping, says, this one. They don't necessarily need to come inside. Somebody can see this. That's why we have these windows for display.
Opotor man maro bene wadano magitika chato spare me pire kaben en kabera chelli kama dano mirgen gu wari yetengudi gitiu kere bene me yupo pire Anthony Opio Vincent Matila Lupko Town Clerk Melaro Pede Division Legolo Timbia Char Magitika Chat Wako New Mirgu Wako Rock Chaman Magulu Sito Katiquerem
An Machalo Teach Magulu City Council Office for Town Clerk Wakati Kamaleng Memi Kare Kidano Kare Maromu Chabera Rio Nera Para Wen Mabigik Nera Para Chill Medwe ma dep ma eni menem ni dano ao ki kama mier pe chat ye chat me kien kama kumero tie tenguri tie i service lanes tie ikien odi ma mier mi security
Opio wajani menom do timbia char magubo koron niyo wanian maki chako keto chiek mane tin gibe chulo fine kachenen ke mako jemege ikar me potor man
ikien kama lokti ye mawabi tiu mater tie inyima logo tie inyim gulumen market watie ki la cho watie kinyimu la long ki alike road met yes cemetery road kama wabi tiu mater meneno ni cha udok wa dukan ki kama council umiyo yetwer ni mier ki chat ye chat chipi man walego luchat weng we gulumen market jumagiti char corridors ni dano dok ka chat magimini ki ku chat ye chat
Dano magen guberi karme lokman mo timem ki opiji pa town clerk me guru sito berlulup kom RCC me guru city pika bere me la ropa de division ki ba degale vi division peta banya matila lup ko RCC me guru city darneno ka bere me la ropa de division o wajani meno giberi winye kilo timbia char chuk madien e kar mo kar nge tutale dano mo no gin char wakom
Wati dongene ni Chabera Rio we cleaning the streets away, we cleaning chuk away. Ke ngini tika chat kama miro pe chat yeni. Dega mamwati yeni chom jimi niyo. Dak kama itamu ni miri chat yeni. Yoma kiti chuk matir mon makti chat kama dan work yeni dono wenye kuda ke chuk yeni. Yoma kiti ka chat wako di chuk kama leng. Di cheng mano cha miyo tiyo ni kuyo rong di wenye kuda ke chuk yeni. Chuk mo tiyo ni chata choko cha bar che tinuchu. So kai de bio ka chat di chen mani ro do pe ka ye chike mo ni pigni
Kitung Chel Amir Kamba Matila Lupko RCC manano ka berme ba degale vi division o wajane la gwak beberum gitia teram
The reasons that are making people violate trade order is failure to adhere to established rules and policies. So enforcement is necessary, and for us as enforcement, we are very ready and on standby to do the needful.
Kwena magulu sito katikere ni tika bino nge Kampala City Council chuchokene kuchako wakoriya mudutim biya charam magitika chate tenguri mapatpad idibo me Kampala Ismail Jacob Jones P1 Luo Television Igulu City
Lodino kwan ne mako kwano teaching da kutieko kigang kwan makiloni Gulu wo affected training center mati Gulu City dongo chakapu ingetia koponi mameki ngen pol gikitie lutino kijmagitika gwako pe kidong gweni kengang inangofonye en kigang kwan teaching ene ngen wani mapia no gen gichero koni gang kwan gidiki kerma na kotol ne woke gwako jema pol magiti ene ndakna bangiti woke tim gerka won mokene pajoge wagichako nongo dir machakaponi gen matima ikarman nongo dolo fu mago kwan ni woki gwako jimba polti gwako pego kidong gwako gwen kinget matut mageti kwerene wanen kong adoki pa kwano teaching man kibot Ismail Jacob Jones NT Kumalume Uganda
Lutiano ki Lutiano maguvole magi aki district mechule maguno fonye teaching igulu wo affected training center mati Gulu City kuchako dong biya charam Lutiano magi magen guber ka loki wanlu TV go wajuni mena gi woki pero ma tektutal bakpene gi beru kia jiji ma tektutal manopia gi chako kwan Lilian Abala mo akia tiak sub county amor district tila tien ki jachel mau tiko kwan ma mege me mwagadem dok beno kwano kedu win
ngi fonya na magi fonya kire An dogan luoro mot. Ikumfon magifonya kere ni. Ayi wai pengane anyimi mi temo mo. Acha kana anyima mergen maram gwana an ye gwen. Wilo acha wilo gwana acha wilo na gya pa. Nya pa bia wilo dom pia dak le choro chum pia ngwan. Ma chan dong giti gwana gang era anyima manero. Gwan ni mo bin ma wachini. Obu bien kena o tumi na timo o to gero mo ayomo chunya anu dar magang o be chundi beri yo koma
en wajo ki wanlu tv ni ngeti ko kwana mege ki nget meno ki gang kwan man I chako don gwa ko gwenom Francis uyet la tien kwan matie mwara me rio me kwano mege dog bene tika kwano yupo mutoa ki pire o a ki amour town council amour district o chako project me gwa ko pego dog beno deno chente mo kene adena nge no nge chikit me tiki chente e gang kwan man
chao kene warong be ginero ni ke po ma ti bin kin kare no ja rong be ma ka be ro mot in jalo bulma itamu ni dir ma ya nyimi be ngar mo o lo to ram ko ni dan no mere be ke ngi tamu ke mo ti ka ram la ko ni kam jala la ko me gan
en wajini meno ko ne peoberu yotran niyo ma eni chako kwan I gang kwan man kom kan gitika fonyo lutienum I kwe teaching ma pat me kine tie yem wangu nyonyo koyo bong ked win yopo motoka ke pire gedum ikin Cosmo Kenem Samuel Okot principal me guru wo affected training center otero kitma center man tika konyo kele lutieno magu voine magetie komane me Uganda
Center man dealing with vulnerable children. Ma Mutiki Development Partners, Child Hope and Peace for Humanity, Combined Samaritans of Gulu, Watieke Abana Ministries, Magicholo Lutheran School, Totwa. Lutheran Mukana, Ichula Kangi Malu Nyoro, Chologi, Benekti Potwakan.
And to Jessica Anena, Mati Senior Probation, ki Welfare Officer, Pigamente Beteder Megulu District, o lego Lutheran Mageneo Mirgen Guneni Gichone, where Gunong Coin, ite project Mapul Pagamente, Chalo PDM.
This is a good move. We even love to work with already organized groups of youth, women, and so the Department of Community-Based Services is directly responsible in ensuring that already existing groups that are organized are supported, and so we shall work together.
Kitungchel Beatrice Utoma aki Thrive Change Love wajani tiki gen matirto ni mwak adek matika bina nyim nogi konyo lutiano ma poltral magi aki district me achulim.
Change and change their mindsets and have a better and more positive outlook to their lives for the future. And some of the outcomes that we have identified from those projects, we've seen people who have been, re-energized, they have more faith and hope in their lives, and they've been able to start businesses without any support from anyone. They've been able to draw up their own, 5-year plan for the future, and some of them have already started implementing those programs.
Vicky Atim Matila Loko won koma bit megulu district. O don durabod luak ni umir gurip chingi me konyo lako tampa vulo. Wek pol gigo chak timo gen mo makelo chente ichingim.
It is through mindset change that side just changes can happen. So we need to do that. We can do it. And in most cases, people like pinpointing that so and so it is the government, it is so and so doing this. So it is all of us to work together to impact that change that we need in our society.
John Bosco to Mwesije Mati DJ Megulu District, Udon Durbo Luak Megulu New Mirgo Nenem, Gichako Timo Gimo, Makelu Chente Iching.
We want our people to have a settled mind. You cannot be happy when you are earning nothing. So, wealth creation must involve everyone in order to achieve happiness. at least here, you can go and do 3 things. Number 1, let every homestead have economic activity that generates income. That's number 1. Number 2, let every homestead set a target to hit. What is your target? What is your plan this year?
En wajo numero ngat ma pe ki gina tima mo ki ken chwalo en katimo balm ikom danom. En ukatiki lokman e karame tiara tie project padul me transformative hope and peace for humanity ki thrive change lam mau time ki Gulu City ichiariom. Kachoke mano kelo kache lo diro tich pagamente ma kine tie CDOs magi a ki subcounty ma pat me Gulu district lo tela ma ki yerge a yera kache ki dulmo kene ma pejenge kom gamente ma ki tika tiji Gulu district. Ismail Jacob Jones pe One Lu Television e Gulu City.
Kawadire wachero i West Nile Maracha Town Council mati Maracha District ken ka Man Town Council ba para bongwen magiti Maracha magiti yele matake loko maduki pen pa klasa bir me primary kidong bene klasa ngwen me senior ikin pen magir magiti mom imwara makate duki pen makayar marmano tola wala mabeo berutie nguno loteno kwan abich mako berute division machel ipen me PLE manwa karaka chaka me charon yangom karoma timene wake kila laga illa komte mopen irom me primary kidung senior en ki Maracha Town Council kunnom kaberamati gang kwan senior chelegan magamento yabo man Nyadri Urban City Secondary School benguti umpen mabe latin kwana chel o timpen mabe ipen pa klasa ngwen me senior Robert Adiga olemo gang kwan kidong kaber me chaka maberutie en Maracha Town Council wanen kong reporten kipere tere tuju. Igara menyamota miloko miyupo ponye kidong miyo chaba ticket vedana magoti mabeni i Town Council man lotino kwana bit magono division match lotino kwana rio makukar mabe pen me klasa ngwen me senior ki Nyadri Urban Secondary School guno mit matiko mchente kijemo kene mekono gen chako kwani kare maupore. Itiyo ben ke yoman menya maber twal yongo magibitiyo kwer megwa korome kato peny makalto beti % PR bongwenu yangwen kit mo miero bet kwere iroma malo ni. Iga choke man mene kero biekli mechiling milion ario tona ngwen mekonyo don lobo pi gai kwan magamente chulu gin man gai kwan primary kidong chiling milion ario pika choke maket mone ponye kadok bene chiling milion achel tona bit mukene kemi bod jomagno timpen mabe man ipiyeli kachel ki UCE. Henry Orijabo Matewon kom Elsia Derme Maracha Town Council owani mon gitika nena duki mabe meponye makene man kachoka magetimu lokom yupa duki penye inge chakone imwaga alibario kipierario yangwen.
So for today's occasion we have come out to reflect on how we have been performing and the impact of our 2 million annually for educational conference.
Yo achele bene Samuel Nixon Atiku mati Town Clerk Maracha Town Council opoye mateka duki paka choke man kibene kato bieklim iyo me yupo ponye pilotino kwan primary kachel ki senior.
Thank you very much. My name is Atiku Samuel Nixon, Town Clerk Maracha Town Council. Today we are here for a very important activity of the council. The council annual plans for what is called budget conference. In the budget conference, we always discuss about the achievements within the education system at primary and secondary level within the town council. And then there we look at challenges that make us not perform well. And then at the end, the council always, or the stakeholders come up with the resolutions that we shall keep implementing as technical people.
Councilor Machung Pilwak Maibura Wood Juma Ali Abindwa owani mono pera teknenen maket mano mi bitiki ker wit kachel bojo weng make maro ponyi wek ya gikine adwokene oneni kom adwoke pen mabejo kon bene kiteno kolo ponyi makitiyo matek me yopo adwoke pen paloteno kwan kare ki kare.
This performance of Maracha Town Council for this primary during education, I'm really very happy because the improvement for 2025 PLE It was very okay. Me, myself, I took initiative to go to these schools, especially these two primary schools, these government primary schools in Maricha Town Council, or a primary school in Aluma. I took my own time to go and get a uniform for both schools.
Henry Anikula dit maloyo ponye Maracha district ma obedo tim kawang DEO oweni mono iye yumna duke pente ka yope kare omiero wich po wilwogo dok bene pe yom chino betie roma la malo karo laju wek pe kiti matek me yopo aduke penye emwaga duju.
I'm actually expecting a Batama Ongoma too because staff level is now fairly okay in the primary sector. But the silence has remained between me, you and the child. We tried last year. I want to focus on town council this time. I do not want to focus on the main district because I've been invited by the town council. But however, whoever is here and is from outside town council, pick whatever is good here to help your community. Last year, 119 learners sat in town council. Of the 119, Division 1 we had 5. Division 2, we had 54. Division 3, we had 38. Division 4, we had 16. Division, actually those who refused to pass.
Emwaga ali vario piru wangwen ipeny me PLE Maracha district geno bekelo tieno kwan 110 bangwen ni komeno abich kuno division ma achiel pier abich angwen obelte division ma ariyo pier adek aboro division ma adek kadonga par abichel i division ma angwen adek oporo wako peny muken pagotimo peny gotiego man en peny me PLE. Pelorang'e mochwiny i Wanluo Television ki Maracha District Robert Adiga. Yarua kitiro chimo wang RDC kidong ladit maloyo bebedo man District Internal Security Officer nyodiso yo machek niyo weko loko mwot kilorani ni woki social media guti matek ndokache kitube mekentigo beluri ital mano bukono matek ritual gwoko kuchpadan mekin gang ki wat mabe panywali Uganda ilore kachoke magetimu ponye menina dek mautima Officer President yubo PN RDC kidong diso mageti West Nile chia dek retired Kano man Lieutenant Kano Kibirai ambako olor mateko muar mabe amiro betie kin lo wang President Yoweri Museveni District Kidong City kijomo kene kinitiye diso kachel kelwak magen ko keria dol mameki watieki report ni aki West Nile ya Rua City kibot Robert Ariaka. Iga joke mautero ni nadek meponye oberu tiepi RDC Kidong Disos magiti West Nile ngad mo ber katelo wi yupman man Lieutenant Kano retired Kibrai ambako olong matek kom tich manoge woro twer panywali Uganda kibene gwoko miri matek pa jomo chwalo gi tich man President Yoweri Museveni kon kate koro makente kitika cheli wi mecha wek mato puto betie kin elutela magi kedano magenti yupigi. Eno wani kache yup maiken nyopero maiken tie kitika chil mekelo nyang ento peke nyotero pa nga matek loyo wek kache woro biru tie biru riorio weng bolutela kibod dano mateleti kingini. Ambako wani mondo tela man diji magiti polkar kingangri wolo kumchibibie dok bene polkar kinoka jenge magichungi atila bon luor wang luak takia gikine kero le wikitele mapol ikinutela magitika chung pi wang President Yoweri Museveni District Kidong City maginti ye i West Nile.
I was here in West Nile. I was in northern Uganda. You only following the NRM structure build. You didn't have your own network. If you had those influential people, you will use the influential people to talk politics, to convince people to vote for NRM. Supposing the NRM did not build that good structure, where were you going to go?
Kidunchel Dr. Harry Mwebesa Matila Dit Maloyo Dulma Kilwanimo Reconciliation Trust Court Magiti Katit Mit Ripo Watikin Ludire Magiti Diti Kedong Jomoken Mapigitikin Gang Owen Momerkiti Kachil Mechopoko Matin Wakache Giti Kuru Yoriot Mari Court Kongero Matit Miri Yotelke Gang Wektele Makitman Kikuye Wamana Futpia Oloke Odo Tuaja Kanyama.
Mediation is when a neutral third party, the RDC or the RCC or the DISO, will come into a practical, a voluntary, neutral process of helping parties resolve their dispute. As a mediator, you come in as a mediator. You sit with these parties. What you're doing is to facilitate communication. Let this person hear the other. Let the other also hear the other. Because in disputes often it is because everybody is trying to speak, everybody is trying to say they are right. But they are as right as when they hear themselves, but until they hear someone else, the other accused party or complainant, that they will understand where each one of them falls.
Ena waini mono tich wailu rital bene piere tekniko beki punye maoromo weko ng'e kit mikweyo loki bene chopo loki yo mopore manope wagin berwe joma kichopo loki yo mane ikimir ento labo paro pedano makitike kohoni. Kachoke mina deke no chake ichi dek tini da butu mwechi abich e piere teki lokom ribo war kidong nongo yo mabelo meketo kit metela kichopo tele maberu tikin gang ikit metela menino duju. Pewanlu television ki Yarua City Robert Ariaka. Awawero kumalo melo Uganda President Yoweri Museveni ma ene bentila choka we dulmon UPDF obiritiga choke Roma malo kaneno kin minyamo lokombe berke bene ngiyo ko kit matikwiro do Uganda wek nyanga mapera tak loy karman ikiet migwoko kuch pa nywali lobo mani ikachoke mauti melo uwe chiari one nyamo lok mateko berutie dok bene wakele report kit maworo kwere kambeti yup melo kange mauchwiny itika nene pudi Kiwanlu television. Kajoke mano time State House Entebbe kam President Yoweri Museveni ofoyo matek CDF General Muhoozi Kainerugaba itika tit matek pikelu lokom wor matek inugo kuch makitilo Uganda magitiyo we dano makwando tit dok ben gitika time jima pigitego megwoko kuch pa nywali Uganda. Igar meka choke man kanyama jima pom na pigitego megwoko kuch pa nywali Uganda kidong bene ni mon kitiyo matek kochwal me woro nyokelo wor kom tit padul mon UPDF kijomo kene me gwoko kuch chingamente milobo eni wek dano mapol guti matek megwoko te kichalim palobo Uganda. Lokange mochwiny e Wanlu television Ania Sunday Akumo. Ikamapat ki lobo Uganda Somaliland lo madoti angen ge chumpi keni pako kom lobo Somalia karmu karangej genge karmano chingom no mengom makitine ne gen ke kena yetrama konyo gen me ame chumpi kengi wailo madong pejenge kom ngatimo ken ikit me bero agonya ikin lon magen ge tikwere karman na yete jima pol nen kido chung ikom jame wai copper gold kitong lithium ikin jema dati gole mateke karman en kilobo Somaliland watika reporte ni kiperta ditukuwa kitini ngoy karman ingetago chungpiki kengi ni yake poke kum Somalia. Somaliland mai kare chano giti kumalme Somalia goa wagde karman giti yele matek mechung piki kengi we lo mapejenge gengi uchungi komlon mengoma giti kweri mapole kene tiyemo kidong jemo kene chalwe gold copper lithium magengi uchungi komem. Dana mapol magiri Somaliland gen giti uchungi komji mapol magengi kwine kingom kadongi charo bot dana mapol kene tiye bini chuk memelobo madana gichero kuno kawelki Somaliland. La bolle Ibrahim wana piara bichu yario ono chono bela delo kompi mongon iboma dit makiloni hagesia ento wakotit man ni chote mahali bario kapau ya beach. Ibrahim Karman ne kwinyo jima tite ngomi kaberu makiloni mona gaid deble Dr. Wangchawa achielo nyario me kwinyo jima magi ikine enmenti kinutit makargin miya achiel piara beach magiti kaberu acheli.
lithium kan uu ku badan yahay buurta dadku markuu badan yahay bishii wax la soo saari karaa 1 tan ma garatay imka waxa yaala buurta ilaa 4,000 tan baa yaala
TM Paul Pajima Pigitego lithium wawelo dakwa pin karbeni wilo bakul gitiyo kwen me yopo chimching kidong bene battery me mor kama gitima tiyo ki battery ento pemlokum mo makitiyo kwen kinetiye diesel kidong mo petroleum. Mano wako Ibrahim Kilowar ng muken gotero duabichel labongo nongo chul maiken makitiyo kon kigolo lithium tana chel bedo iwil me dola minya biki kendok ben kin me duabichel mokarangej lo charwil maki China futpa yao chere Somaliland kawilo jema ginango golo tie koro choka korani.
We have chipstone minerals and also industrial minerals, and also we have the most wanted minerals in the country. Lithium, copper, chromite, titanium, and many others, We have, and it will change. We expect that it will change the life of the people, and it will lead to a good life to the people, We expect that.
Some companies, they have already taken the large-scale mining for lithium, while some others, we have already granted to small-scale mining for other minerals, but they have not yet produced any lithiums or some other kind of minerals. Now at the stage of production. So we are just formalizing of all these artisanal minerals to be in this area.
Idweme apao yare mwamo kate Israel gumo wanigitiki chwak mateko mchunken pa Somaliland mageno pa Somalia imwaga libachel miya bon ke pier bungan wiachel mokelo chat mapol ke bod gamente madit mati Mogadishu man gamente melogo Somalia. Chwak pa Israel ene diga kay lokono jema Paul magenti no bokona matek chung ken pa Somaliland kabene weko jema ken makitike dir matimo biachara kibino kakupe enke Somaliland. President Melobo Meno Abdirahman Mohamed Abdullahi owaini endike gen matek ni mono tie pa jema kitiko ene bokona chung mameke peke kengi wailobo madong pa jenge ikom Somalia. Pelo range mo chwinye e wan luo television Ania Sandia. Welcome to Oludong Bun Madom Magiti Ewilobokan Floyd Mayweather Gotero Yopotoro Mokene Mabutime Kimani Pacquiao Ibman in the par Bungan Jimia Bungani Morani Eni Luenman Weberutie in Las Vegas Dogmantica with Ducheni Gentiarian Kong Don Bun Matake Mara Alucapara Beach Mako Wayne Wangatia where Dongo Bun Mechente Yodongo Bun a Rome me professional boxing. Watiki report tikum to Roman Kidmo Burkure Kibot Anthony Papira.
Floyd Mayweather matila dongumu yuek matek total tie ka yupo lweny madit ikila wore magen gitele kerishok manye Manny Pacquiao mamete ubetie i Las Vegas. Lweny kindu dirario enikono butime we kare mukara ngej mwakalibario kapawi abich manyut dong no mwaka bungwen mukara ngej maludirario eni gulwenyi kingi kon lweny meno utumogo mano gumakero marom meno draw. Lweny man madongi moro ni buberi nindo pawe abungwen miduma bungwen ni neno tiene bukelu chilling madit tutwal mikonyo community ma en Manny Pacquiao teka aki ye piani en aki Philippines kanga lok mi keru mi giachama kidong lok mi aro mi piny tie moromo tutwal. En Manny Pacquiao owae en gire peke kwe mo ken mi lweny enini pien en iber katimo practice kunono dong en mwakane dit madong beno me retiring and en iberu active ikin me tuku boxing.
It just happened that I'm still active in boxing and he come out from retirement, so and he decided to do it again. So this is it. Like I'm so excited for the fight.
Kiyung bon Mayweather en no don ko retiring maro jogo lwenyo ko pere don kamete ki kituru mo ken madara lokum boxing ento utamone ki timu training pe niano maroma di nyo dwe maroma di en me oduma bungwen ni no etiki ker muromo ma en iromo lweny kila diet Manny Pacquiao. Anthony Papera P1 Luo TV.
Adok wadugo pajo kit metro dilo mailo Uganda to Mestan Big Bank Uganda Cup mobile tila woni Club Michael Malmelo Uganda man pa Julie Lions akipa de district gomaro majmata keching Vipers to notum gola bicheli kum tongweno ituro mauti mele woni idiwo to round of 32 me Uganda Cup to mobile tie St Mary's chitende ni utum mabero to alkebod Vipers and kebolo pa banjomo akiko Malmelo Uganda man pa Julie Lions to notum magor to al ento wacheke report komketma to man wor kore dujo kebot David Magere.
Peo beru yor tutwal bot team me pa Julie Lions Football Club ma akipa de district e kar magen golemo Kampala City kon go chero kamaka ki Vipers Football Club man team dilu ma dit matuge Uganda Premier League mero kono beru PM to me Stanbic Uganda Cup round of 32 ma beru le tutwali di wo me chiario to man kono time ki St Mary's Chitende Stadium mati Kampala City kama Vipers Sports Club beru ka jolo ie pa Julie Lions Football Club inoni Vipers Football Club chanyo pa Julie Lions noni Vipers Sports Club chanyo pa Julie Lions golo abichel ikom tongweno tuko mao balo wi team man ma aki pa deni matera dada inoni inge charo tuko ma inge dekara manoka ken me charo tuko inuchu tuko ma chel kono Vipers okela yela matek total ikom defense nyolo turangech papa Julie Lions ma we golo charo mola chon total dekara bichel kamala tuko magi luoni Abdul Karim Watambala o moro golo dekara bichel kadoro moro golo dekara piari wi achel ma wer nu turumeno manodo o dekara piari wa chele no dong tigi gola rio e kom tongweno turumeta nyi magwa atira karbeti pa Julie Lions gutemo jing manok wer pe golo do bet ka donyo itegi onye ento meno paulare kama golo tiko dok mol matek adada kare ma fud nu turuma chel potum inonda turumo ken magiloni Osama Arafat do moro golo mo ken kin ka dekara piar dek nono ka dok Milton Karisa o chanyo golo mena mangwen e kin dekara piar ngwen ma ka tikekero nu chuturumeno ya girede mo wero nu chuturuma chel otum wako golo angwen ikom tongweno pa Julie Lions otute kwe katumpa nu chuturu me achele kini ka dekara piar ngwen me o piar ngwen ya beach ki dekara mage mero kwe golo mo pa onunge ma wero go dugi second half me charo lwen doko dojo inoni lwen me nu chuturuma rio kono po konye pa Julie Lions pia ne tutegi oberu kwe kono dok team ma ojolgi man Vipers o mero golo rio mo kene mo wero golo o cherwe ya bichel ikom tongweno ino turuma rio kono ikene ka dekara piar beach machere i piar beach elinoni Milton Karisa doko moro mero wel golo ne kama enbeno chanyo golo me namba beach ma wero gen ka chiel gen kedi Watambala no gi mor golo rio ka dong ikene ka dekara piar boro inoni Gusto Mulongo anywali me DR Congo Turi Vipers o mor golo me namba beach el mado yiro ba Julie Lions ayira inoni gen ko tute kwe me o ikene ka dekara piar bongwen me o yigir agire pa turumeno ma wero gen gudugu gang kichingi nono turumeno kono chot don wero pa Julie Lions wero turumeno me Stanbic Uganda Cup man pitian me piar beach wiario nyo 52nd edition magitika turu pe mara turu alibario ki piru beach el matika wara nyimi inoni kono kadi bet kit meno Vipers dong be meta nyim kon kor draw me the next nyo last 16 mabo bina nyim kono team mukene benetigi tu irwam turumeno maikin turu mukene matie aye man keyboard team aki kumalume Uganda aye Uganda Revenue Authority notika jolo Black Spur Football Club untu Paraka Football Club gibo toko ki classroom football classroom kadong Red Devil bumaki ki karo karunji ikintu mokene matika bini diwo matin lorange kumtue One TV David Magere.
Vipers 5 Pajule 0. Oh, some beautiful play, very good play here from the Venoms, hot Venoms. Remember the biggest score line in that's how it stands for the moment here. Another long ball header, it's out. Abdul Karim Watambala claws, and ball is out, and Pajule will actually breathe a little.
Agare okelo dongi agiki yub melo range mocho in kanki one luo television wipa wili chiambit chabiet me chabiet ni eniman tum chabiet man yub me harvest money expo tika uberka time ba koldo mati Kampala tiat kono were no ngeti kompume biachara kamerwa tekelo dier kilo pumo kena mageti nget mate ko tanmo koni ni don pume me ko malmelo Uganda kidon kabero duju mati lobo man donyo tiwen me ching liba pa kape jomem no ponye tia liba pa mo kene me mero en ikum tim yup me harvest money expo imwaraman tedong petiane me apa omake kono iba korolo ichinya beach kedong ching chabet man me chabet in pirwa bor medimario kedong ndachel medjemia dek imwarani eni ania sande yakomu apoetone no yup me lorange mochwin mokene madom politika bin wotin man wanlu TV